It's time to make a sweet treat you can have as a sometimes food in your lunchbox, and you don't even have to bake it. This is a no-bake apricot and coconut slice. It's delicious. For this you need 75 grams of butter, a third of a tin of condensed milk, half a cup of dark chocolate pieces, half a cup of apricots, quarter of a cup of chopped nuts, maybe cashews or almonds, we've got almonds today, 100 grams of plain biscuits crumbled, and some coconut for rolling. First things first, over here on the stove I've melted my butter and my condensed milk and my chocolate together, so it's this yummy molten chocolatey goodness. So while that's melting, what you can do is chop up your biscuits. So I've just got plain biscuits here. These are really cheap from the supermarket. And then just chop them up, hand on top of the knife here, and chop them up into little pieces. You could even put them in a big bag, like a snap lock bag, and then hit them with a rolling pin. That would be fun. Do what you want to get them into little itty bitty pieces. So that's about good enough, I reckon. Cool, so once we've done that, we will take our chocolate and then we will put our, that's good enough, that's really low heat, so I'm just gonna put that on the bench. I am just gonna pop this in here, get all of our biscuits into our chocolate mix. All the crumbs. Oh, I've made a bit of a mess, but that's okay. Put those in there. Pop that aside for now. And then add our apricot and our almonds. And give that a bit of a mix up together. Whoops, we've got to run away. Mix it all up. And once it's all incorporated and the chocolate is all over every kind of bit of apricot and every bit of bicky, then we're going to put it in the fridge for about half an hour, hour or so, until it's a bit more firm. So pop that in the bowl, pop it in the fridge, and it will come out looking a little bit like this. This is perfect. It's a bit more stiff now and a bit more hard. So take some baking paper, take it out, and then with your hands or a spoon, make sure your hands are clean, kind of take out a bit. Oh, I'm gonna use my hands. And then we're gonna try and put it into a roll. So take out a bit, a chunk, and a little bit more of a chunk. And then kind of go like that. See where I'm going? I'm gonna make a bit of a log and go like that. Bit more here. Okay, I know this is messy work, but bear with me. And then we're gonna roll over, and we're going to squeeze it down like this. Roll, squeeze these sides, keep rolling, and squeeze that all together like that. Make it into a nice kind of wee sausage. Now we get our coconut. Get a shallow dish or a plate like I have. Take your chocolate log, unroll it like this, gently pick it up, pop it over here, and then roll in the coconut, pressing it on so it's covered in all that nice, lovely coconut. And then transfer it back, roll it on up, and then pop that in your fridge for a little while until it goes nice and hard. And then it will look like this. Take this over here so we can chop it up. Move that on over. Unroll this. There's our wee chocolate log. Isn't that nice? Take that out and give it a slice. Yummy. Oh, it's a bit crumbly, that's all right. There we go, there's a good slice, and we'll do one more. Yum, delish. Look at those. Those would be nice and tasty in your lunchbox. Shout out to also Ashley Dredden from Morrinsville, who made the peanut butter noodle salad and had it for lunch the next day, and Jasmine and Waiaku, who made the banana fritters. You guys are awesome for making our food. And remember, Food for Thought is in schools all over New Zealand, teaching Kiwi kids how to make sure that the food we eat gives us the best energy and vitamins for the whole whānau, and it's free. Thanks to New World.